I want to thank the Julius brothers for even sending their stuff out to me to review. I greatly appreciate it, and just thank you for allowing me to review your products. And I just have a feeling you guys are going to be in business for a very long time. What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy Sean P, back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel, Sean P Reviews. And if you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for subscribing to my channel. And today's video is a product review on the Julius Brothers Beard Company. We're going to talk a little bit about the company. The company's ran by three brothers, Dwayne, Chauncey, and Ephraim. Now, it's a veteran-owned company because Chauncey served in the military for 15 years. So, Chauncey, thank you for your service, and thank you for serving our country. And the company's located around the Nashville, Tennessee area, and they haven't been in business very long, only 2 months, but I have a feeling they're going to be in business for a very long time with their products. So they don't really have a whole lot of products yet. They only have 2 scents when it comes to their oils and balms. And they also sell a Peachwood review, but this is their Heritage Blend scent, and is a very cologne type scent, very nice scent. And as you can see, the consistency is like a really clear consistency, but it's a real cologne scent. It's like, it smells nice. It's really, it kind of reminds me a little bit of Cool Water, a little bit on the cologne scent. It's an awesome scent, and it will last all day if you don't sweat it out. Like last time I wore this, I was playing basketball. I sweated out. I sweated all the oil and the balm out. So, and also, and I've been digging quite a bit into the balm, and it comes out fairly easily. I'm not gonna really scoop a whole lot out because I already got stuff in my beard, but it comes out relatively easy. And put a little bit on. I already got some other stuff in my beard today, but you know, it doesn't hurt. Plus, this is a very good cologne scent, and yeah, it's a very nice cologne scent. And first off, they sent me a letter saying, "Thank you, Sean. Together we will make Julius Brothers a household name in the beard care industry. We're overjoyed about this mission and grateful for your commitment. Beardfully, the Julius Brothers. Hashtag best beard forward." And here's the card they sent me. And also they sent me their business card, Chauncey, one of the co-owners. And they're on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And you can find them on the internet, jsbeardsupply.com, as it is on the card. They're also on Instagram and Twitter. And we can go over the ingredients of the Heritage Blend oil: sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, grapeseed oil, pumpkin seed oil, hemp seed oil, and natural oils for fragrance. And also the ingredients on the balm is pretty much the same, except for it has shea butter and beeswax, of course, because it's a balm. And both their oil and their balm have 9 carrier oils, which is, I mean, pretty impressive. So you're getting all the benefits of each one of those oils, whether it's antibacterial, fungal, you know, moisturizing the skin. So yeah, I'm kind of digging the oil. Like I said, it smells awesome, and runs for 15 bucks on their site. To me, I would give that like a really out of a 5 rating, I would give that a 4. Anything like under 15 is like really like up there in the 5s, you know, in my rating scale. But this is a good price, you know, 15 for the oil and 15 for the balm. And I would highly recommend this because it's a scent that's gonna last all day. It's not strong, because you don't want to be that person that wears cologne, a whole bunch of cologne, because it will make people sick. This is not a super strong cologne type scent when it comes to their balms and oils, but it will last all day, and it will soften your beard. It will make your beard soft and make it feel nice and make it smell great. And this is really, I would recommend this really for, like, you could wear this every day, but this is like a date night type balm and oil. And like I said, I highly recommend it. If I had the chance to actually buy it, I would. Like, I would rebuy it. But like I said, this was given to me to do a review on. So yeah, I highly recommend the balm and the oil, the Heritage Blend, for 15 bucks for the oil and the balm. And I don't think they're doing a discount right now or any type of discount. So you might want to check out their Instagram and their website, but I highly recommend both. It's a good cologne scent and it will soften your beard, make your beard feel nice. And contact with them on their website, jsbrossupply.com. I'm quite sure I got that wrong, but all their information is on their Instagram. You can check them out on Julius Brothers. It'll pop up on Instagram, and they also have a Twitter account, so you can check them out. I highly recommend their products. I mean, it's a good cologne scent, and it will last all day. And they haven't been in business very long, but I have a feeling they'll be in business for a long time with their products. And they only sell another scent, and it's the Esquire scent and a peachwood comb, because they're, like I said, they're fairly new to the beard care industry. So yeah, you know, if you have time, check out their website, check out their Instagram. Also on their Instagram, they're doing they have like little posts they do where they talk about the benefit of each one of their carrier oils, the benefit of each oil. So check out their site. Yeah, if I had a chance to buy it, I would buy it again. But like I said, it was given to me to do a review on, so I didn't buy it. But if I had 30 bucks, I would buy it. It's a good cologne type scent, and yeah, I would buy it again. So I'm gonna sum up this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and also comment down below. What's your favorite cologne scent? What's your go-to date night or cologne scent that you just go to? And comment down below. I want to, hear you guys' opinions and comments. And with that, I'm out. Peace. The Julius Brothers Beard Company. Yeah, I might have it upside down. The beard oil and the beard balm. And it's the Heritage Blend scent. And first off, I want to thank the Julius Brothers for sending this stuff out to me to review. How I came about reviewing their products was, and I dropped the card.